Hello friends, today for an interesting and wonderful topic, just stay right up to the end in this video and read the description box. Well, it's all about beauty, colors, flora, fauna, plants and nature at its best. My garden is my most beautiful masterpiece, says Claude, and God's creativity and our labor creates the masterpiece, be it young or old, male or female, any caste, any creed, everyone likes to be in beautiful surroundings. So, this is your friend Amishi, and let's talk about gardening today. Friends, as you all must be aware, garden has tremendous healing powers, keeps you fit, happy, and healthy. Gardening is the art which uses flowers and plants as paint and the soil and sky as canvas. Well, friends, what is a garden? A garden is a plant space, usually outdoors, set aside for the display, cultivation, or enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature as an ideal setting for social or solitary human life. The single feature identifying even the wildest wild garden is control. Many people do gardening based on their hobbies and their love for plants. For others, it is a strict disciplinary measure to keep their garden neat and tidy. The garden or the surrounding lawn of a house is very important. It not only adds to the visual beauty of the place but also allows the residents to dwell a bit amidst nature. People who are fond of plants and flowers usually prefer to keep gardens. They are also generally interested in gardening and treat it as their hobby. Gardening is a very skillful hobby and it also makes the practitioner a very patient and hardworking person. This is so because gardening requires utmost dedication and care. A garden is a very dear place for the owner. Having a garden of one's own means one can stroll in it whenever one wants. Having a garden allows people to grow fruits and vegetables of their own. They can do organic and ayurvedic plantations. Many people even carry out hybrid planting to obtain a hybrid quality of flowers and seeds. Growing flowers in the garden make it look gorgeous and colorful. They also bring a natural fragrance within the living spaces. Flowers are an essential part of the garden and add to the marvel of the place. For these various reasons, having a garden surrounding the house is desirable. However, to reap the benefits of a beautiful garden, one should also take good care of it and maintain it. This is why the practice of gardening is essential. Hello friends, this is AMishi.Honawar, your YouTube friend, and today I have come to a beautiful outside location which is a hill station. And what I liked most about the place is, apart from the fresh air and the rejuvenation, there is a beautiful lawn, well maintained lawn and garden. And garden can be either indoor or outdoors. Now in Mumbai we have less space, so we can have some tips regarding indoor gardening because we barely have small verandas or sometimes no verandas at all. And outside, if you have a good lawn or a small garden or a big garden, you can plant a variety of trees. A well maintained lawn definitely shows that that you are good at gardening, and obviously that you have a lot of love for it. Of course, manure, fertilizer, the soil, these things are important, but love for gardening is something, the passion for gardening is something that makes it work because the area around your house looks so pretty and beautiful. So as you can see in the background, there's a swimming pool, a well-maintained lawn, and a beautiful garden. Now I would like to tell you a lot of things about this place in particular, especially the garden, because I love the idea or the things that I used indoor as well as outdoors. So let me talk to you and tell you about its, the good things about it. Now I would like to bring your attention to this. See this wall, this entire wall, this background. See the colors, and so pretty it looks, right? You can see it more clearly now, right? So this is it. Also here there is a veranda, and I would like to show that the various plants, a small sofa set is kept at the veranda, if you can see in the background, and there are these plants on one corner. See? So always plants make the place look more rich and beautiful, isn't it? Yes. You can see the next place also has a beautiful lawn, and greens are always welcome. Makes it so lively and colorful, isn't it? Gardening includes the growth of plants and flowers, maintenance of it, the timely care of them. It is a tricky business, and whoever does not have prior experience can face difficulties in the beginning. It is not an easy task. Growing plants takes lots of patience. Planting seeds on the ground and regularly watering it will not be enough. Other factors such as soil fertility, surrounding temperature, manure, etc., need to be taken care of. They also need sufficient sunlight for photosynthesis and nourishment. People who have a genuine love of growing plants can take the responsibility of gardening themselves, and those who are not very interested can hire a professional. Gardeners' basic chores include daily watering of the plants, looking after their nourishment, supplying the soil with manure and fertilizers, and planting new seeds. New plants can also be grown by buying saplings from the nursery. If interested, bonsais can be improved. Well, friends, gardening can be indoor and outdoors, and we have to look at both the aspects and do as per the space in our house. Well, if you have some space in your garden, you can see that swing there. Don't you think it's a good idea that a couple is sitting and swinging and looking at the beauty around? Yes, it's really wonderful. And now let me take you to a tour at one of my friend's place who's made a green room. She has got so much of space and so much of interest. So she's created a green room inside the house. Look at it, it's just wonderful, amazing, with the right plants, colorful pots, and very well arranged. If you see it closely and minutely, you will appreciate it better. I just loved it. Amazing, fantastic. Wow. If you do a course on meditation or pranayama, the most important thing they teach you is breathing right and breathing fresh air. And where can you get more fresh air except for natural surroundings and plants? Plants are a source of oxygen. They give you a lot of oxygen. So hence the importance of plants. And of course, friends, when it's like evening time, maybe time to party or some function or occasion, you can light up the garden with various lights, big and small, and it really looks wonderful. It gives a different view at night. Hello, friends. Good morning. This is AMishi.Honawar, and I'm going to talk about gardening. Well, there is a misconception, and we all think that we nurture the gardens and we are the one who grows the plants. No, in fact, it is the plants that nurture us. Well, don't you think so? Because they give us the oxygen, the fresh oxygen that we breathe. You don't need to do just, any other thing, because if there are plants around, then that is the way God supplies us oxygen. And well, we definitely put some soil, manure, and we help, the growth of the plants. That is what we as humans do. But they do their own, and that too, their deeds are not even spoken about. They give us everything: the shade, the oxygen, the greenery, the colorfulness, the liveliness. They teach us what is patience and how love blossoms, isn't it? So if you like my video, kindly press the like button, subscribe for my channel, and I'm waiting for your valuable feedback. Well, look for this entire video, see the description box, and see how well some people, grow the gardens, and the gardens teach us a lot. They are the best teachers in the world. So, friends, that's a lot of details about garden and gardening. And this is AMishi.Honawar signing off. Goodbye. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share my links to all your contacts. Adios. Goodbye.